Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one I'll be showing you how to change your light bulbs, your front light bulbs in the E87. It's going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Don't bother paying money to get someone to fit it, so let's get straight into it. So just open your bonnet. Okay, so I got the whiter ones. These are just like white, they're not like blue. So I'll show you the example of the before and after. So let me just turn on the car one moment. So I mean, the camera's making it look whiter or more yellow, but it's very, very dull yellow, and this one's more white. Maybe it's a bit harder to see maybe, but yeah, it's completely white, whereas this one is it's very yellow. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, so you can go for the blue, but I went for the white. That was good enough for me. Okay, so first thing you need to do is if you go and look down here, there's this clip over here, so we're just going to remove that. You just pull, and then there's another clip on the other side here. Maybe it's a bit harder to see. Right there, just pull it up apart, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to open that. You just pull it, and just be careful the way you pull it. So maybe it's preferred to pull the electricity off. Just pull out. There's two clips. Let me just show you very quickly. So there's two clips here. There's one here, I think it's broken, and there's another one here. So you just press it, you hold it from both ends, and then you pull out. Okay, now this just comes off. Okay, this side is a bit tighter because I have this here, but yeah, this is the cover. It goes in from here, it goes into the slots inside. You've got to be careful because I think there's a light that goes in here, so just when you fit it back in, just, you know, never force it, do it very gently. Okay, so now all we need to do is we need to unplug the light. So if you let me try show you where this is. It's very, very tight. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here. Okay, I'll try to use this angle for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first thing, we just need to pull this off. Literally, just pull off like that. And then there is a clip which you can, all you have to do is you sort of just twist it to the left, and it goes off. Okay, and then all we need to do is we need to just pull the old light out. Okay, like so. So just make sure you don't touch the actual bulb. That will actually ruin the bulb. Yeah, so just store the old one as a backup. Let me just bring the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. We're just going to put it back in. Again, be very careful. You don't want to drop it. What we're going to do is I'm going to look at the front and make sure that's fitted properly. And then you're going to put the clip back up. Okay, bear with me. Yeah, right there. Right there, you can see. Okay. Right there. I'm going to block your view for a moment. So you got to sort of press it. Push left, and it comes out, and then you press it, push right, and it goes in. Okay, so now all we have to do is now push this in like that, and then you're going to hear a click. And now let's just go test the lights very quickly. So maybe it's more clear now. So you see, this is here, this is white, this is yellow. Now on this side, now because we put the LED, this actually is more white now. And then you've got this, which is this is just normal white. So yeah, this is it, guys. So hope you enjoy it. So the way to fit it back in, all you have to do is just put the cover back on, and that's pretty much it, really. Hope you enjoyed. See you next one.